Good evening, Tallahassee. I'm student meteorologist Lexi Birmingham, and this is your 4FSU weather social media update. Looking at our current conditions, 67, nice partly cloudy skies, dew point very comfortable along with that humidity, dew point at 36, humidity at 32%. We have a nice wind coming out of the east-southeast at 7 miles per hour, so overall just a nice, beautiful day to go out and enjoy. Futurecast, what are we going to be looking at the next couple days? Well, it's going to be very cloudy, stretching from about Jacksonville into central Florida, maybe Macon, seeing some rain chances. But as Thursday rolls around, the clouds start to move in once again, maybe looking at a very cloudy day for tomorrow for Tallahassee. Maybe the sun will peek through just a little bit. So we're going to look at the radar one last time. Here's that line of storms that we have been looking at. Nice little squall line right here. It's just moving into our area as we speak. So again, please stay updated with us, stay updated with your local TV stations and your radio stations. Please be prepared. This might get a little ugly. But here's what I want to point out that we're all looking forward to. You can see the wind shift, and the cold front is going to come through. Here's that major wind shift here, and it's just pushing its way out of our area by Thursday morning. And we'll start to see some showers by the time you go out to work tomorrow morning. But they'll be clearing by the end of the day. Here's Matthew up a little bit closer. Let me move over here so you can see the eye of the storm. Here it is off the coast of the Grand Bahama Island, going northwestern into the east coast of Florida. So it's bringing all this rain and strong winds into West Palm Beach. It's hanging around Miami as well, and it's just going to make its way up towards the east coast, towards areas like Orlando and Jacksonville. There's that counterclockwise motion I was mentioning with the storms up in Idaho. And I don't know if you could see, but there are some like pinks and blues in there. That means snow chances are possible in Idaho and even some parts of Montana. So all you need to do is take the empty bottles, put them up like this, and I'm going to go ahead and do a demonstration for you. Just give it a good twirl here.
Now, why do they call it a tornado in a bottle?
Because
yeah, there you go.
Yeah, right there.
That's awesome.
Now here's our system waiting out in the Pacific. You can see the slight counterclockwise rotation, but again, the same thing with the Atlantic, only a 20% chance of development in the next 5 days. But it's going to be warm and humid at sunrise, so again, it's going to feel really icky, and you might be sweating on the way to your class, so just be careful of that. But by noon, it's going to be partly cloudy skies with 86 degrees, and it'll be a pleasant commute home at 88 degrees with, again, partly cloudy skies. Also, another organization called Samaritan's Purse, which is an international relief, is sending tons of help to the victims of Haiti and the Caribbean. They're sending tons of blankets and hygiene kits and even some water filters because they don't really have the cleanest water right now, so we're happy to see that. But if you do want to donate, please feel free to look up Hurricane Matthew Relief, and a lot of websites are allowing donations. Will we possibly see this in the near future, or will it take another couple of decades to see this again?
Well, it's always hard to predict these, especially very rare and very hard to predict in advance. The good news is that when they do form, in addition to being rare, it's normally way out in the middle of the ocean like this. This one did happen to hit the Azores, but as far as the United States is concerned, they're usually not a threat during this time of the year.
Saturday's looking like our highest temperature, and Sunday is when that cold front starts to move in. And look at the temperature drops going into the lower 80s, and look at our lows for the night as well. 61 for Sunday night, 59 for Monday night. So we're starting to see those fall temperatures once again. So for tonight, it'll be 44 in Tallahassee. It'll be a cold night, but the clouds will keep it from dropping any further than 44. Nice wind coming out of the north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Please go out and enjoy yourself. It's going to be a nice night. It'll be a little chilly, so you may want to bring a jacket before you head out the door. Thank you for tuning in tonight, and have a good evening.